Want Microsoft Swags and learning opportunity free of cost to showcase your skill and uplift yourself and get a better job in the industry. So here we have a new challenge from Microsoft. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. So the challenge name is AI Skills Yatra. Yes, you heard it right. It's an exciting learning opportunity for you to learn, create, and prove your skills. Here we'll be having AI Pathshala, where you'll be building a foundation, and after that there will be Prayogshala. That means here you have to do some hands-on challenges to just showcase whatever you have learned, practical experience. Whatever you have learned, you have to apply it. For that, we have Prayogshala, that is known as hands-on challenges. After that, there will be AI Pariksha, where you'll just testing your skills, whatever you have learned, with the help of hands-on labs, modules, quizzes, assessments, and you'll be getting some digital badges, which will be testifying your hard work. Now here you can see all these sections are there. When I click on AI Pathshala, here a new page will open. You can see all these courses are here related to Microsoft Pilot, Chat, Agents, AI Agents, Generative AI, Cybersecurity. You can see multiple courses are there. Also, you'll be getting a chance to attend live sessions that are free of cost. You can see most of the sessions are already live. In case you miss, you'll be getting a recording for it. And you can see there are multiple languages. So you'll be getting a diversified amount of knowledge over here. Okay. So this diversify knowledge you will be getting. After that, you can see AI Prayogshala. Now in the AI Prayogshala, what you need to do there is simple. You have to simply launch the Copilot app. So you have to simply launch the Copilot app. When you click on over here, start creating Microsoft Copilot. Just like ChatGPT and Gemini, it's a AI app. Okay. Here you have to generate a portrait, image, photo. Okay, that captures the vision of future, means Viksit Bharat. Okay, you must be knowing about the Viksit Bharat. So you have to just try to just add an idea and generate a prompt over here, and you have to simply refine the image and just save it and submit over here. How to submit? Let me just show you. You have to simply click on this submit entry. Now here you have to enter. Okay, here you have to enter your first name, last name, your email address, whether you're a student, working professional, all these things, and your institution or company name. If you are having institution name, means whichever university or school you are just participating, means you are studying. Now here you have to just click on I agree, and here you have to upload the image. Now here what you can do, you can just upload the image on your Google Drive or any drive and just attach the link and simply submit it. That's for the entry. Okay, after that you'll be getting benefits of getting some swags, mostly t-shirts, bags, etc. And you can see here AI Pariksha Zone. So here they have mentioned that it's final checkpoint. Here you have to just apply your practical skills. Okay. Now here you have to pick any of the AI certification and complete it. Also, once you complete and upload the proof of completion, and if you are among the first 500 learners to finish it during the campaign, you'll be getting a Microsoft branded t-shirt also. So you can see these are the certifications, these are the assessments. Hurry up and take part in it. If you still have any doubts, you can let me in the comment section. It's very easy event. You can participate and gain the insights also. Apart from this, if you are interested in other events like Google Cloud Arcade, Arcade Facilitator Program, all the events, I have shared the link in the description. Make sure to check it out and do like the video and just subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead.